How to use your Apple Pencil on your Google Docs. So it's pretty much the same as using it on pretty much the compatible apps. So you're just gonna make sure it actually works. So make sure it's connected, make sure it is charged. If you want to charge your Apple Pencil, you can just plug it in right here and do your best to use the original charger for your iPad to avoid, unrelated problems. So if you want to go ahead and connect your Apple Pencil first, you can go ahead and get the Type C or the Type C to Type C cable. In our case, it's going to look like this. In our iPad model, we're going to go ahead and plug it in our iPad on the right over here. And we can go ahead into settings to just make sure. Open up the slot for your Apple Pencil and just plug in the other end of the cable into the Apple Pencil. So something should appear here on the top, which is the Apple Pencil. And as you can see, it is now connected. You can go ahead and take this out now. As you can see, there's enough battery for us to do this process. And we can just put the charger away for now. Then we can just go ahead into our Google Docs and we can use the pencil as we please. So we can just go ahead and type over here. We can open up our keyboard. We can even type on the letters using our Apple Pencil and use most of the functions of our Google Docs. But that's pretty much one way you can use your Apple Pencil on your iPad Google Docs. Just make sure it's charged and it is actually connected. Most of the time, it has just ran out of battery. But hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.